Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a simple and flavorful Atta Onion Paratha with a spicy onion filling. It's easy to make, delicious with tea or yogurt, and perfect for a comforting homemade breakfast. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup flour in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well until the oil is evenly combined. Gradually add 1/3 cup water. Knead until you get a soft and smooth dough. Onion paratha is a popular homemade breakfast. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and keep it aside to rest. Take half cup finely chopped onion in a bowl, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Mix the salt into the onion just before preparing the paratha to avoid too much moisture. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chopped garlic, half teaspoon chopped ginger, 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add some fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well until the onion is evenly coated with all the spices. Now take a portion of the rested dough. Roll it into a thin round sheet. Spread the prepared onion mixture evenly over the surface. Cover it with another roll roti. Press the edges gently. Now cut and fold it as shown. Roll it again. Onions become naturally sweet and flavorful when cooked. Layering the onion mixture between the dough creates a delicious contrast of texture. Roll it again gently to create a neat layered paratha. Don't press too hard or the onion filling may come out. Heat a pan over medium heat. Place the paratha on the hot pan. Cook until light golden spots appear. Add a little oil. Turn again and cook the other side. Continue flipping until both sides are golden crisp and fully cooked. Your homemade Atta Onion Paratha is ready, crispy around the edges, soft inside and packed with spicy aromatic onions. Serve it hot and enjoy it fresh with your favorite side. Share this recipe with someone who loves homemade parathas. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy breakfast recipes and delicious homemade treats.